Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up variants in Poshier. In a POS system, a variant refers to a specific variation of a product that has distinct attributes or options. Variants allow businesses to offer different options for the same product without creating a separate item for each option. Common attributes of variants include size, color, style, material, and flavor. Overall, variants enhance the flexibility and functionality of a POS system, making it easier for businesses to cater to diverse customer preferences. Now, let's get started. First, navigate to the variant function in the catalog section. Click the New button to access the variant settings. For this example, we will create a size and color variant for a t-shirt. Enter size and color in the name field. Next, input small, medium, and large in the x-axis field. Next, enter red and blue in the y-axis. Finally, tap Save to create the variant record. Now, let's assign the size and color variant to this t-shirt item. First, tap to open the item, scroll down to the Inventory section, and select Inventory. Tap the Build button to create new inventory. Select the size and color variant record, choose the desired size and color, and enter the quantity in the field provided. Then tap the Build button to update the record. You can repeat this process for all size and color combinations. Once completed, you will see all the created records listed. Finally, go to the POS section to check the results. Tap the t-shirt to view the inventory. As you can see, all the inventories are listed here. Let's select the small and red variant to confirm. Proceed to check out the order and then review the inventory again. You can also navigate to the Reports section and select the Inventory report to see the details. That's it. I hope this tutorial has effectively guided you through the steps to create a variant and assign it to an item. See you in the next video. Goodbye.